Good day everyone. If the brightness not changing or it's not working on Windows 11, the brightness slider has some problem and you're unable to either see or drag the slides, this tutorial is for you. So here the very first step is to go to the control panel, and I will search control and you will find the control panel. Now here we will go to the power options, and by any chance if you do not see the power options, then at the top right corner click on the view by and select large icons and then maximize it. And now go for the power options and select the high performance power plan. If you have high performance power plan as you have a gaming laptop, well and good. Else you can create a new power plan, or whatever the other plans you have, you can select it and then apply it and close this. Then do a right click in the start icon, then go to settings, and here in settings we will go to the system and then display, and then you will have the slider which you can, it should work for you. You can use the slider left and right hand side. Let's see if that works for you. And also click on this brightness and change brightness based on content. If it is turned on, then just turn it off. If it's working, well and good. If it doesn't, we will move to the next step. And the next step is to update the device driver. So do a right click in the start icon and go to the device manager, and then go to the display adapter. And here you might have two graphics drivers. If you have 2 or 3 graphics driver, make sure all are enabled, and if all are enabled, then try to disable it and then enable it again. For this it should work. For many of us it should work, and if it doesn't, we will move to the next step, and that is to repair the computer. So there could be a problem with your PC, so there could be a corruption. So in the meanwhile, what you can do is you can search CMD and then run as administrator. You can also do a right click and run as administrator, say yes, and here just type sfc space / scan now, like this. Once you have typed it, hit enter. Now since the system is scanning your computer to fix any corruption, any problems, any bugs, minimize it. Now we will update the driver, and do a right click on the start icon and go to the device manager and then go to display adapter. So we have done the disable enable, and if it hasn't worked, then you can simply do a right click and click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, no problem. Do a right click again, click on update driver and select browse my computer for drivers, and then let me pick from the list and select your graphics and click on next. If you have many graphics driver, then you can use one by one, so any of this should work for you. Once this is done, do the same thing with monitor. So you have integrated or any other monitor, you can do a right click on that, update it, search automatically, and if it says best is already installed, no issues, close it. Do the same process, do a right click, go to update, browse my computer, let me pick from available and select your generic monitor driver, click on next, and once you're done, just close this and go for the command prompt. It is scanning, and once the scan is complete, restart the computer and it should work for you. For most of us, this will fix the problem. So if this tutorial is helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and also don't forget to restart the computer. For many of us, after the restart, your display problem, display slider not working will be fixed. And if yes, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe as well. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.